it's Sherry. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys what I got in my January Boxycharm subscription box. If you guys are not familiar with Boxycharm, it is basically a monthly subscription where you get about 4 to 5 full-size cosmetic items for only $21 a month. That is right, only $21 a month. But that $21 a month is only if you are a US citizen. If you guys are from Canada like myself and you want to subscribe to the Boxycharm box, you are looking at spending about $35 a month. It is a little bit more than 21, but you know what? It's still a good deal because spending $35 a month for 4 to 5 full-size makeup items is not a bad deal. I'm gonna go through what I got in this box and just kind of share with you the prices of each one, and you know, you guys can do the math and see how much money you are saving by getting the box. So this is my January Boxycharm box. Usually every month you get a box about this size and it will fit 4 to 5 full-size items on here. So I already know what's inside. As you guys can see, I have my makeup all done. If you guys stick around a little bit, I will kind of do a makeup tutorial with using some of the products that came in this box. Inside the box, there's always a theme going on for each box. This month's theme is Boxy and Chill. That's what the card looks like. And then I have all my items in here. Like, I swear, every month it's so exciting because I know that Boxycharm's Instagram account kind of shows spoilers of what all the charmers are gonna get. Sometimes I don't even look at it because I want to be surprised. So every time I open it, I get so excited to see what I get in my box. The first thing that I have here is a Tarte makeup palette. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. And this one, if you were to purchase this palette on its own, this will retail for $36. Okay, this whole box cost me about $35 Canadian, and there's four or five items in here. This one item is $36. You are already saving there. Let me open this up for you guys. That's what the packaging on the front of the palette looks like. And those are the pretty colors that come in this palette. The next items that came in this box is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. These are here. You get 2 of these, or I got 2 of these in the January box, and I'm excited to try these out. I love using masks, so I heard a lot of good stuff about Tatcha. I personally have not tried it. I've been wanting to, but now that I have these masks, I'm really excited to try how this will react to my skin. This retails for $24. And the next thing that comes in this package is this Briogeo. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength Moisture Leave-In Mask. So this is for your hair, which is perfect because, you know, I can never use enough hair masks for my hair because I always color my hair, so I need as much treatment as I can with it. This one on its own retails for $16, guys. And then the next thing that I got here was this Starlux Luxe Long Wear Eye Pencil. And this one retails for $19. And the last item that comes in here, what did I get? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, I got 6 because if you count the mask, this is, I guess it's supposed to be considered as one, but you know, if you separate them, it's going to be like 6 items in the box, which is a bonus. And like I said, the last item was this Bite Beauty lipstick. It's kind of like a fiery orangey red. If you stick around, you will see me try it on. This is not the color that's on my lips. You guys will see later on. This lipstick retails for $26. So I'm gonna calculate all of these items together just to see how much all of these items cost as opposed to how much the box costs. So we got the leave-in mask, which is $16, the Tarte palette, which is $36, and then the eye pencil is $19, and we have the masks for $24, and the lipstick for $26. Altogether, it comes to $121 if you were gonna buy them all individually at Sephora. But if you are subscribed to the box, you're only going to be paying $35. But if you guys are from US, $21 plus tax. So now that I shared with you guys what I got in my box, let me share with you guys the tutorial on how I got this look. Okay, so before I move on to my eye makeup or anything, I'm just gonna add my contour because when I look at my face on the viewfinder, I feel like I look too pale. So I just want to add some contour on my face just so that I don't look like a ghost. So for my contour, I already hit pan with this one. I'm just gonna be using my Maybelline New York Masters Contour Palette right there. And there's no real explanation as to how I'm going to do this because y'all know already how to contour, right? Take that and contour my nose a little bit. Not that my nose is flat or anything like that. I just kind of want to add a little bit of dimension to it. Kind of looks weird as that I'm doing it right now because I don't have any eye makeup on, but I promise you guys it'll come together. So I'm just gonna blend my contour right here. I'm gonna be doing my makeup kind of opposite. I'm gonna be doing like my face first before my eyes. I don't know, I normally don't do it that way. I always do my eyes first and then do my face last. But on camera, I always do it the opposite because I just don't like looking at myself like a ghost. Like I look like a skeleton or something like that. So I'm gonna go do my contour and my blush and everything before I move on with the eyes. And now I'm just gonna move on with the blush, and the blush that I'm gonna use is the Laura Geller New York blush. This is in Tropic Hues, and I'm just gonna use my crown brush to apply that to my cheeks. I like this blush, like I use this all the time. It's a baked blush. I got this one in one of my Boxycharm boxes. I'm not exactly sure which month, but it was from one of the boxes and I use this literally every day. So now that my face is somewhat done, it's not like totally done, I still have to do highlighter, I'm gonna go on and just move on with the eyes. From the Boxycharm box, I'm gonna be using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. These have really pretty neutral shades. These are definitely the shades that I would wear every day. So it's all kind of like shimmer neutrals. So I'm gonna go and take this shade right here and I'm gonna apply that in my crease area. So I'm gonna be using my blending brush. This brush is from Mikasa. And I'm just gonna go ahead and should probably be better if I move my bangs out of the way. So this is just gonna go right in the crease. And now I'm gonna take this shade right here and put that all over my eyelids. And now I'm going to take this darker shade right here and I'm going to apply that to my crease to give my eyes somewhat of a smoky look. And I'm just going to apply that with that same blending brush. Just working it right into the corner there. So this is just going to be a very, very subtle look. It's not going to be anything over the top or anything like that. This is basically just something that I would normally wear on an everyday kind of basis. And I'm going to take that same dark shade here and apply that to my lower lash line. Now that I have the eyeshadow done, I'm gonna do my eyeliner and my lashes right now. If you guys are wondering what lashes I used, they are by Ardell. They are the Faux Mink eyelashes in number 811. So I got my eyelashes on, my eyeliner. I always do them off camera because I struggle with it all the time, let's be real. I'm just gonna add a little bit of mascara underneath the bottom lashes here, and I'm gonna be using my Superhero It mascara. This I also got in my Boxycharm box. You gotta love Boxycharm, guys, because most of all of the cosmetic items that I'm gonna be using in my videos, if ever I do other makeup videos, and on my everyday basis, I always use makeup from Boxycharm because ever since being subscribed to Boxycharm, I have not bought any kind of cosmetic items. I think the only thing that I bought was foundation. Now I'm just gonna move on to the lipstick. So I'm gonna be using the Bite lipstick that came in this month's Boxycharm box. This one is the Persimmon lipstick. So since my eye makeup is somewhat of a neutral tone, this shade should be okay. I'm hoping that it would kind of go together. I normally don't wear red lipsticks. I just don't think I look good in red. But we're just going to test it out today. I don't have lip liner to match this, so I'm just gonna try to put this on as best as I could without lip liner. It doesn't get all over the place. Wow, this is so bright. Oh my god, like I don't think I would ever wear this color out. Oh my god, this color looks awful. I honestly look like I'm from the 80s right now with my hair, my bangs, and my bright lips. This actually looks orange, not red. I'm gonna go and change this because I'm definitely not feeling this. I guess I just wanted to try it out and share with you guys what the color looked like from, you know, receiving this from Boxycharm. But let me be right back. I'm gonna go and change this lip color because I cannot take myself seriously. I feel like this is a little bit better. I just kind of went on top of that bright orange lipstick with this Gerard Cosmetic lipstick that I remember I had. This is the shade in Merlot. I mean, it would have been better if I had a lip liner to help me outline it a little bit, but I just kind of wanted to cover up that awful shade. It probably will look better on someone else, but it just did not do me any justice, so I had to cover it up. So this one I think is a little bit better. And the last thing that I'm gonna do on my face is do some highlight to complete it. The highlighter that I'm gonna be using is the e.l.f. Duo by Heart Defensor. This is my favorite highlighter, the Coffee and Cream. So I like to take both of the highlights and just kind of mix them together and apply that to where the highlight will be. I'm blind, guys. Seriously, I'm blind. Like, if you guys, I know this has been e.l.f. for a while, but if you guys have not tried the highlight from e.l.f. in collaboration with Heart Defensor, you guys should. Like, this is definitely, like I said, hands down my favorite highlighter. And not only that, it is very inexpensive. It's $8 for this, and look at that highlight. Like, it literally will blind somebody. Look at that. You can probably even see a reflection through that. And that is basically it. So that is my look. This is how I created this look with using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palette. And again, this is from the January Boxycharm box. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will put a link in my description box that will lead you directly to subscribe to the box. Like I said, guys, I love Boxycharm. I've been subscribed to them for over a year, and that is how I gain my makeup collection. So if you guys don't want to spend so much money on makeup, I suggest getting on to the Boxycharm subscription, because you know what, $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size items. You cannot go wrong. Again, I just want to make it clear, it is $21 a month if you are living in the States. But if you are from Canada, like me, you are going to be looking at about $35 a month for the box, which is still not a bad deal because everything in the box is worth more than $100. It is a good deal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please remember, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and also that notification bell so that you guys can be notified to when I have a new video posted. I try to give you guys content that you guys like. If you have any suggestions of any other videos that you guys want to see, please leave them in the comment section down below and I will try to respond to you guys as best as I could. And maybe, you know, if you have some recommendations of videos, I will try to create those videos for you guys because I'm doing them for you and what you guys like to see. Also follow me on my social media pages. I will have everything linked down below. Other than that, that is it for this video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!